My name is Paige.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, Greenville, South Carolina.
Oh,
The tour has been absolutely amazing.
Yes.
If you are looking for a boutique experience with high quality rums, this is the place to come.
thank you very much. I really appreciate that.
Yes.
What was your favorite rum? And what was your favorite part of the tour?
Oh my goodness. So favorite part honestly has been our lovely guided tour. She has been fantastic, very knowledgeable.
Yes, all right.
Yes. And loved hearing about the history
Yes, please.
of all the different rum distilleries and the evolution of the island of Barbados and the rum evolution. And then my favorite rums, of course I'm a high-end girl, so I loved the lovely
Coconut.
coconut rum.
Yes, please.
And then, yes, of course,
The double H.
the actual, the
XO.
XO,
Yes, please.
delicious. And then finally the view, the beach. Right, how
Yeah.
can you not?
Yep,
Love the
it
beach.
is gorgeous. Well, thank you so much, Paige.